Soldiers, airmen, friends, and families, I'm Brigadier General Greg Knight, Vermont's Adjutant General. I want to take this opportunity to update our viewers with some important information about the coronavirus, COVID-19, and what the Vermont National Guard is doing to help. Governor Scott has authorized me to place members of your Vermont National Guard on state active duty to support and assist our emergency response partners and fellow Vermonters when and if the request comes. The most likely means of support may include mobile lab testing for the virus, healthcare support, or logistical assistance like we're seeing in other states. In order to protect our organization and ensure we retain our response capability, I've made a few changes in upcoming schedules. All Vermont National Guard community relations and outreach support is suspended until May 16th so we can better focus on helping our community contend with COVID-19. This means we're unable to provide things like band performances and guest speakers. We will reevaluate as the situation evolves. All March annual training and drill weekends are postponed. We're currently evaluating drill and annual training for April and will provide an update soon. On the Army side, all orders and travel for soldiers scheduled to attend schools or conferences between now and May 11th are canceled. At this point, do not cancel any reservations through the Army training portal. We have published a revised telework policy for our full-time staff. I expect all supervisors to review it with their service members. When we're able, it is critical to work from home to practice social distancing and to help flatten the curve of the virus. National Guard is uniquely positioned to support Vermonters should we receive the call from the governor. Know that we frequently train side by side with the Vermont Department of Emergency Management, first responders, and are ready to work in whatever capacity is requested of us. We have senior personnel embedded with the governor's COVID-19 task force and are quickly working through the vast amounts of information we're receiving from Guard Nation, best practices by sister states who were impacted early on, and National Guard Bureau. Our staff is diligently working to forecast potential requirements. Your Vermont National Guard is prepared to respond if the call should come. I want all of you to know we are always ready, always there. It is a great feeling for all of us to serve the nation, but serving our neighbors is the greatest honor and our first mission. The things that we can do to ensure the health and safety of ourselves, our loved ones, and our community are to follow the guidelines that have been published by the CDC and the Vermont Department of Health. Practice good health habits, such as drinking plenty of water and getting enough sleep, washing your hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds, covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and social distancing, keeping 6 feet from others. If you have a fever, cough, body aches, and flu-like symptoms, don't come to work. Monitor, self-quarantine, and if your condition worsens, contact your healthcare provider for further guidance. The State of Vermont Health Department and CDC websites are excellent sources of information and can be found below in the text box. These two sources are working to provide the most up-to-date, accurate, and official information regarding COVID-19 here in Vermont and across the nation as well. If you have questions, I encourage you to comment on this post. Finally, again, know that your National Guard is ready. We're ready to support Vermonters and our governor in whatever mission we're called upon to do. We are Vermonters, we are resilient, and we will get through this. Be smart, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of family, and please look out for your neighbors. Let's put the Vermonters ahead.